And a glorious welcome, a glorious summer's evening. Welcome back to the Paul Holden Details channel. This crafty video I've managed to slip in before we take delivery of the new classic car, which is coming sometime very soon to the channel. I thought I'd get this one in. This is a new product, or rather a revamped product. I did put quite a few pictures online about this product several months ago. Let's get these the right way around. Right, 2017, I used this Infinity Waxes Rapid Detailer in a little small sample bottle. You can check the video out up here somewhere. It's the Honda video, the 621 video. Probably the biggest video I've done. Don't know why, there's a lot of Honda fans out there, but it went down a storm. Anyway, enough about that. This was the Infinity Wax Rapid Detailer. The first time I used it, and I was very impressed by it. Now, a little while ago, had a message from the guys, Infinity Wax, saying, we've been working hard behind the scenes for some 14 months in the labs, got their heads down, beavering away, and made a new version of it. And then this arrived in the post. I thought, that looks exactly the same, apart from the colour, obviously. So, is it any good? Is it worth all that effort to make, which I think already is a very, very good product, to make it better? Let's find out with the aid of my son's Skoda in the background. So it's Rapid Detailer Old against Rapid Detailer New. A simple panel test, nothing too technical, technical, that as well. Quick spritz on equal microfibers. These are both deep pile microfibers. Thought we'd make it fair on each panel test. So completely unequally split bonnet by my crazy maths there with the masking tape. But what I'm really interested in, how easy it is to apply, what the water behaviour is like, and what it looks like. So now onto the top panel with a new one. So I've put a different lid on each one of the bottles. I've got a black lid on the new one and a white one on the old one. Because I'm old, I get confused. So just as easy to apply. If I was going to really narrow it down, I'd say it was a little bit easier to take off. Minimal effort. I will tell you, this car is swirled to hell, and you'll see in a little bit why I've put a drying towel on it. So what's it like water behaviour? Well, pretty much what you'd expect. It beads nicely. Bearing in mind this is just from a normal garden hose. Water behaviour is very good. Sheeting is very good. So this will protect your car. Not too sure on the longevity. It could run into months depending on your wash regime. As for the top panel, much the same. Water behaviour was very, very good. It seemed to get rid of it fairly quickly. What's it like for sheeting? Pretty darn impressive. It didn't seem to be much between these two with the water behaviour. So I'm not content with just that panel. No expense spared, moved on to the front wing. That's why there's a drying towel there, because the sun bounced off the bonnet, showed up the horrific swirl marks and scratches, and almost dazzled the hell out of the camera. So, front part of the wing, old QD, much the same, easy to apply, easy to remove. New QD on the back. Now, although I did this in the shade, please watch your panel temperatures when you're applying products. I washed the car in the morning, and come the afternoon it was fairly warm. Same again with the water behaviour. So the rear with the new QD. Sheeting capability is still very, very good. as it was on the front. So it's bare bones, this car, nothing like glossing agents put in the shampoos, or no QDs applied before. I didn't cheat, this was just literally straight onto the paint. So as for some beading shots, as I call them, the arty-farty shots. This is what you're left with on the front. This was the old, and there's the new. Not quite so much water on that. So as for gloss, I left a little later in the day and applied some on the rear quarter just to show you what it's like for gloss. And once again, even this car's not that well prepared, it came up very well. So firstly, the old Rapid Detailer. Yes, it sheets, it beads, it looks glossy, it does exactly what you'd expect from a decent detailer. It's very good at what it does. It's had a very good reputation, and still has got a very good reputation. It's good stuff. It's easy to apply, it's minimal buffing, it's great. Use this as a drying aid, use it as a QD to gloss, build your gloss levels up. In maintenance washes, use it on the glass, use it on the plastic. Exactly the same as this. So what's so different about them? Right, it's very subtle, and I mean super subtle. The new one, apart from the colour obviously, and you can get this in different colours, and I think they're doing custom made ones as well. As far as I know, this has got a minimal amount of SiO2 in it. Not too short on the old one. I can't get hold of any literature at the moment, and more about that in a bit, why I can't. The new one, all I can say is it's quicker. It seems to flash off a bit quicker. It feels a bit slicker. It's so small, you know, trying to test these products. Obviously, you could do a mega test. You could do this on a bigger panel and give it another go. But you've seen what happens. It sheets, it beads, and it's glossy. You can see it on the paint. When you're applying this, it just seems to be a little less drag, as it were, on the paint. Bearing in mind this car's been clayed, it hasn't been machine polished, it's not brilliant, it's a daily, it gets knocked about, it's my son's car. You know, it's not going to transform your car, but it makes it look a hell of a lot better. So what was already a very good product, yes, they have made some very subtle improvements. Is it a game changer? Strong word, game changer these days. Gets bounced around a lot around the circuit, around the whole detailing community. I'm not going to say it's a game changer, but it is very good at what it does. The one thing I will say to you guys is a big thank you. We have hit over 2,000 subscribers. All of you have been with me right from the start. It means an awful lot when you tune in when I release a video. Yes, I would like to produce more videos and alter the content slightly. We've still got more product reviews to do, but we have got some sort of vlog videos coming up. Not the ones that, you know, I've made a cup of coffee, walking around with it, I'm going to do my ironing, not that sort of vlog, but ones that are a bit more behind the scenes of what goes on at some of the shows. So that is all coming up very soon. So a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. Once again, if you like it, comment, give it a like, as that makes all the difference to the channel. Give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Tally bye. So if you want to get the Infinity Wax products, then click the link below the video. It's the Jay's Wax website. You can get all the Infinity Wax products on there. Don't be alarmed, they are still going, but all the products are on the Jay's Wax website. So hit them up and take a meander through the site and fill your boots.